we have a set of consumer-oriented services that you use on a daily basis. And then we also have a professional-oriented service, which would be targeted more towards medical providers. So I'll turn it over now to Jonathan to discuss the consumer-oriented services.
Working with Vitalia Corporate Services and EMD Exports, we've created personal wellness portal. All this content can be totally customized. We have an online store, we have educational materials. It's really a way of taking your health into the 21st century. What we're really showcasing here today is another piece, which is our personal wellness coach. And this is called My Wellness Buddy. A personal wellness coach really has two functions. One is to monitor what we eat, and one is to make sure we're getting enough exercise. By looking at the micronutrient content, we can actually get a better picture of what the food that we're actually eating is contributing and doing to our body. We also track activities, but you can also see that when you exercise, you lose some micronutrients, so we need to replenish those. And so again, the system's monitoring all of this. In addition to manual activity entry, we can actually use tools like the Zephyr BioHarness or the MXD device can be connected to My Wellness Buddy and can capture the data and then mine it for us later. So once we have all this data, what we do is we can actually package it into a personal health record using MMR Global technology, and we can share it with our doctor. So I can create a file that'll have a secure password and username, and I create this file and then I can send it to my doctor, and that's where we'll show you what the doctor will do with it once I've handed it off.
So what we have on this part of the demo is our professional quality video collaboration system we call eHealth Live Studio. And what we're going to show is how a patient would dial into the system, make an appointment, and actually use it. We'll dial into the appointment system. Using our new conversation APIs, we get a call notification, we'll pull up the database record, and we'll fill out the forms for this patient, and then we'll create an appointment. After the appointment is created, an SMS message is sent to the phone, and inside the SMS is a link. We click on the confirm. So now the appointment is confirmed, and we store a piece of information in the phone that the patient will use at a later time to start the appointment. So the patient goes to the booth with his phone using near-field communication technology. We set it on the tag, loads the URL, asks the patient if they want to start the appointment, they say yes. And so now the collaboration display welcomes the patient, and so now the doctor on his endpoint would see the patient is ready, start the appointment, and then the collaboration display is now being controlled by the doctor. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull up the report from our health and wellness system using our My Medical Records personal health record system. And we can now share this and go over this report and see the patient is seeing the same thing.